Today we are going to see about the topic is comparison between the ChatGPT and DeepSeek at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to give some miraculous information I need means how the both AI is going to be react now. Okay, so just I given the information, need the information as what is computer network. Okay, with its types. Okay, the simple information I asked to the chat GPT first. At the same time I'm going to ask to the DeepSeek. Okay, so how the result will show here, we will see the difference and comparison between these two AI. So same thing is going to be written, all those things, what is definition of computer networks and the types, and based on the architecture level it shows the ChatGPT, and transmission based on the transmission mode is given some result. Okay, that's enough. Then if you need the deep info explanation, it's going to be asked. After that we will saw about the, yeah, it's generating DeepSeek is generating lot of information I didn't see. Okay, now we see about the what is types of networks, and then, yeah, lot of networks. It's mentioned up to the 9 types of network, but it's mentioned the common one. Okay, so this is the common one: PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. This is a common one. Okay, but it's mentioned about related to the real-time example. I think it shows the home, and then EPN network, enterprise related, and virtual private network, lot of networks. It's going to be give the example with the real-time example, I think so. So here if you can see the key components. What are the key components is there: nodes, links, and NIC, and those all the informations are, wow, very good. But here is related to the architecture level. It's mentioned about the based on the transmission mode. It separate the information. Okay, so it's going to be give the DeepSeek is all the information, but feature wise is defined here. You can see the EPN means what is the scope, what is the purpose, what is the speed, what is the example. Here you can see the main network types is mentioned with the definition. After that is mentioned about the architecture wise explanation, and then mode wise explanation, and then based on the communication type, what are the communication we can use it, that is mentioned. Then we go for a real-time example. So we ask the who is the president of US. We will ask him. I'm asking the same question here. So who is the president of US? So we will check now. Okay, so this information is not getting. Why means the knowledge of this DeepSeek is cut off from the October 2023. Okay, so that time is Joe Biden as a president. So it's mentioned the previous one data is not as a real time or recent trends. I think DeepSeek is not going to be show, but ChatGPT is shown the real time up to the January 31st data. Okay, so Donald Trump is a recent president. Okay, after that we need the any image from this file, means we can ask the ChatGPT, it will show. So I will give one more feature in the ChatGPT. can you create an image for computer network? It will give. You can check it out now, and I will going to ask the DeepSeek now. So I think yes, it's not unable to directly create an image. We have to use some of the predefined one, another apps only we have to use it. It's mentioning a lot of objects which are used in the, before that you can see that it's not going to be generate a file, and then it's mentioned about some of the tools we can use it to draw, like as a Canva, Draw, IO. Those are all the predefined app is there, right? So we can use it, and then some of the explanation is mentioned about related to the network. I don't know about what is going on. So, okay, so we use the deep think method. If you are not solving any problem in, we can use this DeepSeek R1 method. Here I am going to use it to create a file. Same one I'm going to queue. After that I clicking this use the deep think method. Okay, after if possible to get a file, no, not at all. Okay, so this is the comparison between the ChatGPT and DeepSeek. If you have any comments means please let me know. Thank you for now.